Okay, hi there. This is kind of a follow-up video to the last video I did. We were doing this sort of right-hand plucking technique for blues. So I'll put a link to it. If you haven't done that one, probably go and do that one first. I'll put a link in the description. And all we're going to do now is we're going to elaborate on it. So it's not going to all be with the thumb. We're going to add in our first finger too, and it's going to sound like this. Let's have a look at what it's sort of in the left hand. We're just doing basic 12-bar blues in E. You can obviously move this to any key you want to, but I'm just doing an E for now, so that's E, A, and B7. But it's all really about the right hand. So hopefully you've watched the other video where we were doing this thing where we were sort of muting, so putting this part of our hand across the strings to dampen them down a bit, and our thumb we're just sort of bouncing between the E and the D string. So E and D. I'm going to slow it down, and then all I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding in between beats with the first finger. So I'll do the first thing is I'll pluck the E and then the D with my thumb, and then straight after the D I'm going to add in, just going to pluck up on the open E and B string. Got that? Boom, boom, boom. So and then we extend it to, we'll go, so we pluck is thumb, thumb, finger, and then thumb again back on the E, and then another in between there. And then to finish off, one more thumb on the D string. So let's get really up close here. So it's thumb, thumb, finger, thumb, finger, thumb. And then I'll move up to the A chord now. So I'm not going to do the E string, I'll do A and D strings for this, but it's the same pattern. Back to E. And then B, and again when we go to the B chord, we're plucking the A string and the D with our thumb. So we just look what the left hand is doing. The left hand is just doing open chord shapes. That's all it's doing. And so this sounds good slow, it sounds good fast. Obviously when you're learning it, start slow. So we'll go slowly. We'll go one round together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and then obviously you can start making more variations yourself, but that's a good place to start if you want to start doing some finger picking blues. Alright, if you like the video, please share it around, subscribe to the channel and all that, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. See you soon.